This week, Erastus posted video via Omo Kwayam for a coin so.
Okay.
Now, I'm ranting openly. One, they claim so many license, Omo Yejuma. And my question to me is that who is the district chief executive for the Ayamfre Equine so? In the 6 minutes video, after one friend or friend now, oh, and then you into Niaba any idea. I when the Galamson means the same fight tonight. Who follow Rastosa? I say, on say we equations, find X. It will be a moving number and call baby now X and question. They say I swap. NDC for
get the same answer.
NDC for BD. NMPP for now got treachery. It is one more minority shareholders and then this about majority shareholders. You see, when it comes to the fight against Galamsey, me, I hold nothing. I call her Erastus Wiki. You remember the page, you also call baby, friend of Bedua, Upper Dencha, East District. I was shocked at the state of the Fin River. I call almost every river. I'm not going to call Easton. Udwen Yinema, police station, Galamsey.
Right.
And akokwa President Mahama ba was saying so be ko Galamsey eka ho. In fact, one of the reasons that Ghana funya ni mujide to Obama no Galamsey eka ho. And you need to pay attention to Galamsey. Okwa the MP for that area say Wasa Amenfi East to Sadain. That gentleman must answer questions. Akokwa enye sa report nkwa na about. Sa wa say no chiefs kura no at a point petition parliament.
Right.
About the activities of some of the MPs there. And I go from my country also how organized crime works are. Say na yejuma. I want him. Look at the dictate of our constitution. 51% of MPs of ministers must come from where? Parliament. Right? And there's so many sikana. Look at the Galamsey areas. Say your election coverage, you know. Who follow here?
Yeah.
Look at the Galamsey, do the map. Look at the personalities contesting those seats. Omo wini, you know. How come on a question into Tiana Catro say ya pass act be as a gun and near your forest reserve as a bronica and a carbon sink. A G fia ya diba a bontino. Nako kwane my oxygen ya seno. Now, President me okay says he could to Galamsey. Now also and parliament no. Right. When they do these laws, now feel it on by radio so nana and they pretend as if they don't know. So they will go into parliament, they will be in the executive. Now me, I'm not against mining. But let's find prudent ways to let people mine.
Sure.
Gold board donations are on. One of the things they say they will train the people on how to mine properly. It's acceptable. And I go say so much speedy up our process. And again, every executive for Mahama Bem. Dentra, constituency chairman Nidiaba. Wasa MP Nidiaba. Akwa President Mahama share ye bo. Say, one abem bia be Galamsey bia obey wedi.
Yeah.
Sankro for nakokwa, we need to start demanding for the asa.
Yeah. Omo investigating you.
Because I work on investigation here clear. You see, and I'm the behind bag and some coatum for the Nakokwa. Emrante ya mukwachi wa mumfuturu. And then to talk some fine. Oh, quack Kumasia. Udo some my time for ya. Yes, I'm fine. A quan why yes, I'm fine. So why are we pretending as if we don't know, say, Galamsey Koso? A quine, yes, I'm fine.
Sure.
Almost so. I'll quite down me call a Jacobu. Jacobu kwanya kwanta yes I'm fine. So why are you pretending as if you don't know? You see about Galamsey, the reason I get upset is the pretense. As you pretend as a some testimonials as you name we know. We know. Say I swap it MP for now minority shareholders and then this for now majority shareholders. And we're allowing this nonsense to happen.
Right.
What is wrong with that?
Galamsey in 7 days.
And I go him. What is even brazen here? And that's a video not about 3 days ago. I'm on for what is brazen is that for people to admit on camera because they know Erastus or send media verse that they don't have license.
That man needs to be arrested immediately.
But when you're bold kind of camera so in front of a military person. So we are getting to the state where one they have no disregard, they have no reference for the media. They can disregard the military and do the nonsense they are doing. Obi obenya boldness ayesa no. Why do you think the power ba? Enti na yemfuro obi a ofre ya obi peki a MP, a certain member of parliament. Enti enye yem sese. See, next week my transport na man.
Right.
But for me, if President Mahama fails to fight this Galamsey, I say my catch me 1 year, we are doomed. See, because of some of the work I do.
Yeah.
Our parliament, if you know the number of MPs directly doing this nonsense, me say pick the Galamsey. I'm just giving you a sketch. I had a Ghana map.
Yeah.
Pick Ashanti region, the Mansi areas.
Right.
Look at the DCs and MPs.
Right.
Pick the Western region.
Right.
Look at the DCs and MPs.
Right.
Trace their source of wealth. You know why Galamsey is a national issue,
Sure.
and why we must all speak against it. President Mama feeling you. Do be see.
Eugene Osei-Tutu the fact checker made us say for